Hey, Tom from Tom Cruising coming at you today. And today we're going to be putting on a front grille for the Can-Am Spyder. What we got right here, we got the grille. We already put the Spyder decals on. Okay, these are a separate order. They don't come with it. Okay, they take about another week or 2 weeks, week to 10 days to come in. I already got them on here. What we're going to need, these 2 screws and a T15. So let's head on over to the front end of the bike and take a look, see what we're going to have to do. Alright, first thing we're going to have to do is take these 2 T15s out. Now if you have the front light, it's going to be a little bit of a different install. You wouldn't have to take the light out. You just have to attach these, take a screw out and attach that to the screw for your light. But since I don't have the light here, I'm going to take this out. Okay. Here's the connector for the light. We just pop that off. And you can either push it back in or try to clip it to the side so you can get back to it at a later date. If you are planning on putting that light in, you can use this. If you can. You just catch it over on the side, just like that. And then you have it for easy access later. Alright, what you got is the 2 long screws. There's pre-drilled holes in here. These are Phillips. And we got the Phillips over here. We get them through. We put the spacers on. Alright. What you got to do also is put a little bend in this to try to match what you got here on that, so you got the contour right. I'd line it up with that and just put a little bend in it. Alright, now this, reposition my light. There we go. That's there. Oop, that's not in the right hole. That's better. And then you just tighten them up. Don't want to put it too tight, you just might strip them out. There you go. The front grille in. Alright guys, that's a quick, easy one. So there you have it. And as always, keep on riding, guys, and like and subscribe. Till next time.